Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Health and Fitness. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us struggle with, oily skin and acne. In this video, I'll be sharing some game-changing tips to help you achieve clear, radiant skin free from oil and pesky pimples. From proper cleansing techniques to the best skincare products, we'll explore everything you need to know to banish acne and embrace a glowing complexion. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to oily skin woes and hello to a clear complexion, let's jump right in. Now let's start the video. Number 1. Cleanse regularly. Wash your face twice daily with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and impurities that can clog pores and lead to acne. Number 2. Opt for oil-free or non-comedogenic skincare products to avoid clogging pores and exacerbating acne. Number 3. Protect with sunscreen. Always apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher to protect your skin from sun damage, which can worsen acne and increase oil production. Number 4. Avoid touching your face. Touching your face can transfer bacteria and oil from your hands to your skin, leading to breakouts. Try to avoid touching your face throughout the day. Number 5. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated and help flush out toxins that can contribute to acne. Thanks for watching my video. Do like and subscribe.